A solid right pyramid with a square base has a perpendicular height of 27 centimeters. The base has a length of 9 centimeters. The pyramid is replicated under the following constraints. The base area and perpendicular height of each replica is 1/3 of the previous one. Determine the total volume of all the pyramids replicated if this replication continues indefinitely. Volume of pyramid can be assumed to be 1 over 3 multiplied by A multiplied by H, A being the area of the base. So we can calculate the volume of the first one. So the volume of the first one will be area of the base, which is 9 times 9, multiplied by the height, which is 27. This gives us 729, and this is in centimeters, so centimeter cubed. Then to get the volume of the next one, right? So if this is the first one, then this one will be the next one plus 1. What we need to do is we need to take the volume of the next uh, solid right pyramid. So what we're basically going to do is we're going to write down the formula as it is. It is just a 1/3 of the new area of that one. So the new area of n plus 1 multiplied by the height of the new one. So let's use capital letter H of the new one, right? This is for the second one. Let's say we're talking about the second one. And yeah, we don't really know what the lengths of these are as of yet, but we are told that in getting the new replica, we are dividing the area and the height by 3 respectively for each. So it means outside of this 1 over 3 that's within the formula, the area of this new triangle is basically going to be the area of the previous triangle, which is AN, multiplied by 1 over 3. Same thing for the height. The new height is going to be the previous height, which is HN, multiplied by 1 over 3, since it's a third of the previous one. Therefore, to get this, we will multiply everything by, well, we're going to take out the 1 over 3 and the 1 over 3 to give us 1 over 9. And then we are left with 1 over 3 AN HN, which is basically just a volume formula. So this is just going to be Vn. So we can see that to get the consecutive volumes, we just need to divide n by the previous volume by 9. So if this was 729, to get this volume, we say 729 divided by 9. To get this one, we're going to take the previous one, which was 729 divided by 9, and then divide it by 9. And then the next one again, you see, so the ratio in this case is 1 over 9, since we are continuously dividing by 9. So that's our ratio. So they say determine the total volume of all the pyramids replicated if this goes on indefinitely. So indefinitely, that's definitely a clue to use sum to infinity. So sum to infinity is just equal to A over 1 minus R. And A is the first one, which is the volume of the first pyramid, which would be 729 all over 1 minus the ratio, which is 1 over 9. This gives us an answer of 820, comma 1 centimeter cubed.